tensions rise over the Sengol. An SPMP has called for the Sengol's removal from the parliament, igniting a contentious discussion. That is right. What we see right now are back-to-back details coming in. Sengol controversy is back in the picture. This time, SPMP is demanding removal of the Sengol from the parliament. And remember that when there was a big Sengol controversy back then, PM Modi had said that Sengol, which was a symbol of transfer of power from the British, should have gotten due respect after independence, but it was kept on display as a walking stick at Anand Bhavan in Prayagraj. So earlier, when we saw the entire controversy over Sengol, PM Modi had defended this with this argument, but it looks like that this is back. This entire controversy is back. We see that an SPMP has called for the Sengol's removal from the parliament, igniting the contentious discussion. If you have the reactions coming in, let's go ahead and play out the reaction on this big story.
आपने एक लेटर लिखा है स्पीकर को, क्या है पूरा मामला?
मामला ये है कि भारत में बाबा साहब डॉक्टर अम्बेडकर बनाया हुआ संविधान लागू है और उस संविधान में जो व्यवस्था दी गई है पूरी तरह भारत लोकतांत्रिक देश है। सिंगोल प्रतीक है राजतंत्र का। पहले ज़माने में राजा होता थे, देश में कुल 555 राजा थे, छोटे बड़े। राजा अपने साथ रखता था सिंगोल। सिंगोल तमिलनाडु की भाषा है और पूरे इंडिया में जो राजा लोग थे वो राजा, सिंगोल माने राजदंड, राजदंड माने राजा का डंडा, राजा की छड़ी। तो राजा डंडा लेके बैठता था, जो फैसला कर दिया और डंडा पीट दिया तो वो फैसला मान्य होता था। अब भारत में संविधान लागू है, यहाँ लोकतंत्र है, न कोई राजा है न कोई उसका प्रजा है, बल्कि इस देश का हर वो आदमी जो बालिग है और उसका वोटर नाम है अपने हिसाब से अपना प्रतिनिधि चुनता है। तो संसद में सिंगोल रखना ये लोकतंत्र का अपमान है। हमने चिट्ठी लिखा है कि संसद से लोकतंत्र हटाया जाए। अगर इस देश में लोकतंत्र बचाना है तो हर हालत में सिंगोल को हटाना पड़ेगा।
So the politics over Sengol continues. The BJP has hit back. Listen to what the BJP is saying on this latest controversy.
The Samajwadi Party has opposed Sengol in parliament. It says that it is Raja ka dand. If it was Raja ka dand, why did Jawaharlal Nehru ji accept the Sengol? This shows the mindset of Samajwadi Party. First they attack and abuse Ramcharitmanas, now Sengol, which is part of Indian culture and Tamil culture particularly. Does JMK support this kind of insult of Sengol? They must clarify. The question is that the mindset to reduce Sengol to a walking stick for many decades has once again come in the form of Samajwadi Party. They do not respect Indian culture, they do not respect Tamil culture, and therefore they are again insulting Sengol. The DMK must take a stand on this.